Michael from myrod.com, and today we're going to talk project car. And I've got a project car right here. Now, if you watch our videos, you know my son and I don't get involved in project cars, or very, very rarely. Our stuff is all front row stuff. That's just what we specialize in. But every now and then we find a project car that we think is really a great step or an entry-level car for one of our potential buyers. That's what this car is right here. Mechanically, it's been restored. So the heavy lifting on the mechanical side is done. So it just lacks cosmetics. I've got a file this thick on the mechanicals that have been done. So before I tell you much about the car, let me tell you what's been done to the car. Pretty impressive list right here. Okay, so on the mechanical restoration, the original motor has been rebuilt. That's a big old check right there. Original transmission's been rebuilt. Another huge check. Okay, new 4-barrel aluminum intake, new 4-barrel carburetor, fresh tune-up. That's coil sparks, spark plugs, wires, etc. New gas tank, new sending unit, new gas line, new dual exhaust, new exhaust headers, new aluminum radiator, new shocks, new rear springs and shackles, new water pump, belts and hoses, new alternator, new starter, new brakes all around, new tires, etc. And all of this has only 200 miles on it since it was done. This is a daily driver. You can drive this car exactly the way it is. Now, it's actually a better car than it looks, and that's the beauty of it. So cosmetically, this car can be refreshed by the new owner. You could pick your color. Now, we highly recommend you give serious consideration to the original color, Sauterne Gold. Very rare and absolutely stunning on a fastback. Take a look at this picture of a Sauterne Gold car. That's what this car could look like. And the Sauterne Gold with black interior is really, really beautiful. Now, I'm going to drive this car in a minute to show you that this thing is mechanically fresh and it's alive. It really is fun to get behind the wheel in this car. It just isn't much to look at in terms of shiny paint, but the body integrity is probably better than 80% of the unrestored 55-year-old Mustangs out there. So it's a very, very good start. If you're looking for a project type car, get the best body integrity you can find, get the best mechanically capable car that you can find on day one, and take it from there. In the case of this car, you got a leg up because the mechanics are already done. All right, so it's a 289 C code built to A code or better performance. It's an automatic. It's got a factory console. It's got factory air conditioning and a couple of other cool options. All right, let's go on a test drive and see what this 33-year barn fresh Texas Mustang Fastback is like. Let's go. Let's take this old girl on a test drive. That's actually it's the best starting car in this building. Pretty impressive. It'll idle down in a minute, but we can get it out of the airplane hangar. December 15th, beautiful day in Texas. Nice and sunny. There we go. This thing has a fantastic exhaust system. It sounds really, really good. Here we go. It's a nice driving little car. It hadn't been on the road in a long time, but mechanically it's been completely restored. So it really all it needs is a driver. She seems to be good to go in every category. All the instruments are working. I've got a gas gauge working. I've got oil pressure gauge working, speedometer working, odometer working. I've got my amp meter working. I've got my temperature gauge working. And the horn, I can hear it. Not quite as loud as a modern day horn, but you certainly can hear it. Blinkers are working. And the one thing I noticed that didn't come on, yeah, the wipers are not coming on. Not sure what that is, but that's the only thing that seems to not be working. And of course the air conditioning. This is a air car. Very, very nice option. But it's not currently working, so I'm sure a little attention to that, it would work just fine. It's a spirited little car, very peppy. Pretty tight little car too. You're talking about original interior from the headliner to the carpet, so that itself is pretty impressive. Okay, let's go highway speed. Nice shift, 60 miles per hour. Obviously climbing well beyond that, but we'll call that good enough. She's got true power. Very nice. Can easily overtake the traffic as needed. Okay, we're coming up on some really rough railroad tracks. No problem. Car tracks nice and true. Okay, so at 55 here, it's just kind of walking down the road. It's no struggle at all. Let me give it a little gas. Woo! Oh yeah. Okay. She moves on really good. That shot up to, well, let's just say quite a bit more than 55. It's got a lot of compression. Runs great. Good car. Sounds good too. When you give it the gas, I can hear in this cabin that throaty little 289 is moving, and I'm sure outside you can really hear it. I love the sound of these 289s. I can tell a 289 over any other car. That's a good motor right there. Brakes feel pretty good too. Brakes are new all the way around. They feel exactly like a 1966 Mustang with new brakes should feel. She'll go. That's what a happy little 289 runs like right there. That's a fun car. This really is an example of a car that's far better than it looks. In most cases, it's the opposite. Well, all right, that's it for the test drive. This car has life, lots of life. Someone's going to enjoy a 1966 Mustang Fastback 289, now built to A-code specs with a 4-barrel aluminum intake with a really nice, fresh drivetrain. Brand new, almost everything. Look at the details on the ad. A lot of money's been spent on this car, and it was done right. You do the mechanicals first, Now the cosmetics, whatever the next owner chooses to do, I hope that next owner paints this car back to the original color, the Sauterne Gold, because that's a gorgeous color. It's rarely ever seen, and it's just stunning on a fastback. All right, so we just took a test drive in a little 289 Mustang. I'd call it a light project, in that at least one half of the heavy lifting's already been done. All the mechanicals are done on this car. It's really a daily driver, get in and go Mustang with tons of life left in it. A fresh 289 that just runs super good. And that's documented in this test drive. This thing will get it. It's a great little car. Truly one of those that's far better than it looks, which is typically the opposite. They often look far better than they are, but this is a good car. It's not a restored car. It needs a little bit of additional love. Wipers aren't working, no big deal. Everything else is working. Air conditioning is not working as well, but it's nice to have that factory option. It's a console car, it's an air conditioning car, it's a remote mirror car, it's a 289 C code built now to 289 A code specs with a fabulous true dual exhaust that sounds fantastic. So great little car, great value, great entry-level fastback. The body integrity is better than, I'd say, 80% of the population of these 50-plus-year-old Mustangs. And really, it's, in terms of a respray or body restoration and repaint, far better than the average 50-something-year-old Mustang. So there it is. That's the end of this test drive. I hope you enjoyed it. Adios.